nyina wache mama kwaba famra bedwam dwumadie eso on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook YouTube obenya hwe live o medin dia kwasinsi Asem di kabre na asumi bontel na mako no man ne kwabra sante ne komokese ato aso e dia ma alopedie ekomono egugum series ebi ana ontie sa ontie ne abeto dwa ese a police for mienu bi akwakohia penipa bi 1 ppm yokuo mu e ka chom se o se mampen na Addo dankwa Akuffo ema IGP COP Dr. George Akuffo Dampare eko enye side to be difficult for NPP to break the 8 menkasa won enche ba me mo video na enya bi etie and somewhere e wachire no edos chene ye hu ni say hwe video is see ye bra
no unza sasa kwa yes special photograph the work is here and this one she comes competition special prosecutor abasa and you mate anamewa you must why do you feel policemen you have a very famous and you have seen you see how humble he is
yes very
and I told you, he is a lawyer.
No, I haven't met him.
That is why every policeman wants to see him as his or her IGP. Master, Alaji. That's how now, mommy, you're crying.
When I met him, I was surprised.
Thank you. You see, humility. This genuine humility. Genuine. And yet the faithful humility. Yes, he's the one that we want. Now, when you say the enemy, you will see the outcome of the elections. Do you understand? Yes. And he's a true party man. The president is aware because of the way he's being treated. He decided that even Joe Asem should rather agree with him that you are a party man. If these people don't want to give you the IGP, because of you, I won't go again. Come and contest my seat, and I will support you to win. That is not what we want. We want him. Constituency, yes, but why? We don't want him as MP. Yes, doctors, I told you, he's a party man. You see, and the president is aware. I am telling you, he's here. You see, it is not only his constituency that we want him to serve.
No.
He should serve MPP at the national level.
Yes. I mean, that's his profession.
That is his profession. Yes. He's a lawyer, he's a chartered accountant.
Yes.
He taught me at the police college. You see. So he's the one everybody wants to see. This man is not a lawyer. He has no fair idea of the law. He has never been on the field. It was NDC that was promoting him day in, day out. When Master was assistant superintendent of police, he was a sergeant.
You was what?
Sergeant.
I told her he didn't believe
Sergeant. Then NDC brought you this far. Now, what he's bragging about is the fact that he will be IGP to 2030. Because your mama has promised him if he should win, may God forbid anything. If he should win, he will maintain him as IGP.
Who was there to hear this?
Oh, it is true. Wait, a meeting was held, of which he was a party to that meeting, and where he was even
NDC meeting
headed by your mama.
And
this thing is not coming from you. You can Google it. You see.
I know that.
Go to Ghana Web. Yes, the Dampare there.
You go what?
Go to Ghana Web. Let your boys do it for you. You see it. Adom. It is one of his recent episodes. This was the topic. This was the subject matter. This was what was discussed.
And that our MPP.
So you mentioned his name. Publicly, you know,
okay. Eti part 1 ni. Ocham ni part 2 be so. Asem ye tiawa ena ye ka say. Chairman of your police council ye mampani abedechi Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Ni din e wasa enkomodi e course emu. And when we near politics our ye mem. Police na na kasa sa no. Police ni. Police ni. Ye bre bi atwemo ono na na ye police commander e wo East Legon. Police ni na na kasa sa no. On ba bi afi yamanya sem no akukuru akwakosi. Police need to make God forbid. Say obi be mampani. Police ni na kasa sa. It says baby ababedri. Any attempt to be a man penny was say, whatever says Ora George Akuffo Dampare biano, it be impossible. Because some questions say, near police ni ekai, say, NPP percent, Muya 2024, about 20. One baby, a man yourself na kwa do. And it's so sad. It's so sad for us. What you say? Say, yes, son George Akuffo Dampare. It will be impossible to break the 8. Dear na please for your election. Dear na please for you. And the poor can say, please make it 12. Open here, sorry, ya otis or Casano. When you please make it 12. It makes me say, now on the commander is gone. Dr. Sekwam, that's when you're Mishtamo. David for the on the continent. And you're in a free. I don't know what I say. When you packet to a place more, yeah, what I say. Say, yes, St. George Akuffo Dampare. It will be impossible to break the 8. Dear now, please for me. It mo ye say ya afemu jama timamfo de adwembia somutim say next time social police ni e wo election center or so gina na so ye because police for possibility say you betimi attend election results there and yehu. And this is a police officer, a new junior police officer. Since Akuffo Dampare. Yatna sema NPP ni NDC. A politicizing bibia. A menen sumpo ya sebi yebenom. This social ni ye say ye bula na say green. Ade ye hosa. Bone be na Ghana fo aye. Si yenye gidie wa amanyofo mu, yenye gidie akase mu. Na yama amanyasam ewura yen edum pempen so say police ni kura du pempen so say wotimi ten ho fa free na amanyosem mu. Professionalism. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Police ni asare ebodin e was sa tape mu. Magana for no opposition on this. Magana for no opposition on this. Is this something bia wasuye na mo planning? And I said we be na edwa nanum keke. And now no ya former Minister of State at the office of the President. Ebo din e was a customer course of Dubai no Magana for opposition. Let us know your position on this thing. Because decision be about you so much take biano. The meaning ya Ghana for me ready into it no a belly to 2024 and a be mu dia Ghana. Sa please from pen for me need me share say ko share Alaji. A former regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party. And then kodi komo say ya. Hey, 2024 ya hwe ye. But you say na say Interior Minister Obani sa Asem si until say be say penny dwe matemante. I unfortunately say no respond this that. Uni bibia ka tobo na koye investigation ansa na obekasa wo ho. Why? And obi na edwena nu say ya na retetim say ya na retetim na basama esi we nya numdwa we enya numdwa because enya ni packetwa na ekasa na nya nchemude kutwa na koso na two man penina da John Dramani Mahama. Let us also know your position because who do what kind of meeting na George Akuffo Dampare are having? What kind of assurance na George Akuffo Dampare? Let Ghanaians also know your position because it's 2024 no young farmer MPP ni NDC emo jabe tom because most of them ekuta passport ekuta service passport ya poor anu aja on ekọ and na raw semu ya na ewom ne yese sebi ye na ne ebedi mpo eden no ene didi anim kodi nkwase asem ye ne ebedi eden no Ye be di den no feeding ourselves even for a half day den no ye dey di me ko di nkwasi asem. Tie ba bete we to say MB for say your boys. At least for say your boys be ya e come for. Omo yi no ma no nya boys. Cause omo do di o ma me omo ye fine. Ya na awreho. Mo no mo be ya sa adwuma no. Sinya me adwo watch na other videos wo honom. Ya mbeto aso di ama. Omo yi no kwabla sante atena se. Omo aboko de.
Well, BBI come, but Maka, for the past 3 months, you're careful as Central for. I'm very reluctant to talk about some of these matters because I've had the opportunity to engage both and current national security in paying for, and some of these things, no. In as much as we want to put it out to show, say, what is right for the country, the implications sometimes we should be very careful. And clearly, we know by arguing say, asra for ne bambo for ne kind of privileged services for no. They should be circumspect in their conversations.
Yeah.
Because especially on a countdown to election 2024. Makase recordings are ABP or mine. It could be a deliberate setup, and it makes all of us uncomfortable.
Yeah.
That we can, and let's not just, if you are a senior police officer, I don't just want to have a private conversation. And you're careful about that too. The fact, almost to say, when they go to their various houses, they also express their opinion. The only thing is that maybe our party are me too abamano, but me betna as I say me timi share me husu eye DSF fatama or minor. I cannot, others can choose to, but I cannot openly display baby I'm a too abako. It will hurt my professionalism and hurt a lot of my viewers and listeners.
Sure.
And even your corporate.
Exactly. So to Mr. They are kwasi kano. So yeah, Juma could do pen so be and even from the scratch. In human you don't have a choice than to serve the Ghana cause. You should be measured in your incommodium. It's very, very important. Yeah, kika muno se okasa wokai when you super interest and track around your record. All of us we can be caught off guard. Because sometimes if you look at the kind of politics that we do, you will share an opinion privately with somebody. The uncomfortability and uneasiness is that if we start mistrusting ourselves, if classified conversations, private conversations now are out there, if you share that, because a whole lot of, we have to really take our time on these matters. But in this country, Assemba near jump boom, near trust. As you see, who say baby you in common, say any police station or in common. As you see, who because nipa binim kran say the cleaner or whether there are a lot of interested parties in this. Obi betimi the boa poem recorder. Because to me pay. Obi the recorder but to me came. Yeah. Obi the recorder, me the recorder but to me came. Anya me yere ne memma ene aduane media Akuffo. Ene car me didn't enter me to hon komo pa say me came pa me say me ene nyom na abeti. Na me charge dem say the whole week now oh yes ade no.
Yeah.
Obefa ko wie no. Baby osa akobọ ade na e wa manyofo ani ma na nka ope me say ye no. Omo ba ko na sa de buy. So I have experienced this thing and it's dangerous. Jimmy me car me park wi am drive na obe that time ni na ho am fa. Ye de ho hye nyame nsa ba ini pa ni omo koba no. If you are na no danger. This country will destroy a lot of people for so many reasons. Inti immediate officer no if emremo police adwuma mu no sa asutwe bi o se stepping aside bi on ma because somebody bi o hodum so are very sensitive. A bit my you don't a certain extent.
Yeah.
You know, to say that, you know, this IGP one must have power. Why now must have power? It's unfortunate it has happened. I'm really restraining. But here must sanity. They be at the police in paying for Madaroma, say Mukasa Mubidi MPP near this year. And I'm a pay na make catch it. Ni say, hey, yeah. So you can get the police hierarchy and point. So either suspicion or reality. We were NPP, we were NDC. The military, you can do that.
Sure.
You can't. And then I man yourself. Police will not be informants for political parties. Strange. I have big police officers. They are informants for political parties.
Obi have a several mind.
Big. I didn't know more yes abusa. Obi fiti preko penya de oyen. I didn't know more so yes because o man no fapem no aye no kuredi ne pre yo. And they say ye do o man Ghana no. Ya boa yi nyina ye ho. You know, afore no de nyoma basa afore no. Nti obi a adwene ne fu bread and butter matters now. O man bia no mo kodwene bread and butter and then sika kudi monim kan. The priority of sa o man no okoye koshoko. Sure. You know the consequence of what you are supposed to suffer. Africa na beba. So ofa illegal mining intimi nko.
Yeah.
Na ya na manyo sem sa na aka ho illegal mining na aka. O man bia utu for magudie so awunturu ne kwan so no emu nipa na ni bri kodu ba bi wi a they will be up in arms.
Sure.
And no eda ho yen kan wasem. O man aju utua sika en shase ne answer when your bed, hospital bed. I'm a typical example until me take you off my face nose. No, I who you know, my bed, my sister bed, that's yeah. You see no bed, I'm making 300 cities. Even our sensitivities as on mine towards each other, no, I don't know, do. And they be Adam, if you read our national security document, traits na woman, patriotism, love, truthfulness, honesty, transparency. I'm say Ghana, you're fapium, no. But once I know me, the crowd, you're century, you might be.
Yeah.
You know, at time, I knew a fair central for power. Said they be Adam, career, for GBC briefly under a year between Addo, Rockland, Crotty, Charlie, Salmon. You can imagine.
Avenopo.
The kind of.
Godwin.
Yeah, the kind of things. So, because I fully support, but you're also central for no. Yeah, what is about some of these matters now? Yeah. Because some Montias say security matters. O mind be any home be o mo antu mafini be ba beto abontin into the IGPF mo cordon off quickly. Now we need internal conversation quickly. All the actors na wo no o mo hwe no mo solve this matter because baby I do know. So in here say noise we obi 247 prayer is to create confusion and chaos in this country. But when you mean who you
that's
it. That's it for your.
And you see part 2 the guy.
But that's it. At least you've done a yeoman's job. What drawing attention to some of these news and because that's it.